Credit card can be a trap, or it can be a powerful financial tool that builds your wealth, boosts your credit score, and even earns you free travel, cashback, and perks. Today, we're diving deep into the world of powerful credit cards, how they work, how to choose them, how to avoid the traps, and how to use them like the wealthy do. Let's go. Part 1. What makes a credit card powerful? We're not just talking about high limits or shiny metal cards. A powerful credit card does at least 3 things. Helps you build your credit score, rewards you for spending you'd do anyway, gives you access to real financial benefits. That means cashback on essentials, travel rewards, no annual fees or worth it fees, credit score reporting, purchase protection, travel insurance. But not all cards are created equal. Part 2. Types of powerful credit cards. Let's break it down into categories. 1. Cashback cards. Best for everyday spending. Earn 1% to 6% back on groceries, gas, dining, and more. Top picks in this category offer rotating categories, no annual fee, bonus categories like streaming, rideshare, etc. 2nd, travel rewards cards. Perfect for those who love travel or want to. Earn points you can redeem for flights, hotels, upgrades, and even TSA pre-check. Some premium cards offer airport lounge access, free travel insurance, no foreign transaction fees. 3rd, balance transfer cards. For people managing credit card debt, 0% interest on balance transfers for 12 to 21 months. Equals time to pay off without growing interest. Powerful if you use it wisely. 4th, business credit cards. Designed for entrepreneurs and side hustlers. Separate business expenses, build business credit, earn rewards on marketing, software, etc. Part 3. Credit score boosters. A powerful credit card should also help improve your credit score. Look for cards that report to all 3 major credit bureaus, offer credit monitoring tools, provide auto limit increases over time, let you check your score for free. Remember, using a card wisely builds your financial reputation and opens doors to lower interest loans, better mortgages, and more. Part 4. What to look for when choosing a card. Here's what the pros look at. Interest rates, APR. Even if you pay in full, always know the cost of carrying debt. Annual fees. Some cards charge $95 to $700 plus. Make sure the rewards outweigh the cost. Reward structure. Flat rate or category based. Pick what fits your lifestyle. Intro bonuses. Spend $500 to $4,000 in the first few months equals get 10,000 to 100,000 points. Foreign transaction fees, essential if you shop or travel internationally. Customer service and app. Experience, underrated but crucial for disputes and tracking. Part 5. Real benefits of using the right card. Let's get real. Using powerful credit cards wisely can earn you $500 plus a year in cashback. Cover the cost of 2 to 4 free flights. Unlock VIP travel perks. Save money on extended warranties and price protection. Give you peace of mind in emergencies. And the best part, you can get these benefits without ever paying interest if you manage it right. Part 6. Common mistakes that cancel out the power. Here's what not to do. Carry a balance month to month. Only make the minimum payment. Miss a due date. Open cards for rewards and cancel them fast. Max out your card. Treat your credit limit like a spending goal. All of these kill your credit score and cost you money. A powerful credit card is only powerful if you're disciplined. Part 7. How the rich use credit cards differently. Rich people don't use credit cards because they're broke. They use them because they're leveraging tools. Here's how. Put all spending through cards to collect points. Set auto pay to pay in full. Use rewards for travel, not cash. Track business and personal spending separately. Use 0% financing strategically. Protect big purchases with card insurance. They don't fear credit, they master it. Part 8. How to build your credit with one powerful card. Start with a secured credit card if you're new or rebuilding. A no annual fee card with cashback if you're average credit. A premium travel card if your credit score is 700 plus. Steps: use it every month, but keep utilization under 30%. Pay in full. Check your credit score monthly. Ask for limit increases every 6 to 12 months. Avoid applying for too many cards in short time. Real life subscriber story. One of our viewers, Danny, had a credit score of 612. He got a secured card with a $300 limit. He used it to pay his phone bill, then paid it off in full every month. After 12 months, score went to 720. Got approved for a travel card, redeemed points for his honeymoon flights. All because of one powerful card used the right way. Part 9. Credit card myths that are hurting you. Let's bust a few myths. You need to carry a balance to build credit. Truth, you only need to use the card and pay on time. Closing a card improves your score. Truth, it often lowers your score by shortening your history. Debit is safer than credit. Truth, credit cards have stronger fraud protection. Only rich people should get rewards cards. Truth, many cards offer great perks to average spenders. Part 10. Best practices for 2025. Don't chase shiny sign-up bonuses unless you can meet the spend. Don't apply for too many cards at once. Use rewards to improve your lifestyle and not impress others. Track your spending using the card's app. Educate yourself on interest, credit reports, and debt. And above all, treat credit like a tool, not a toy. Final thoughts. A powerful credit card isn't about showing off. It's about strategy. Use the right card the right way and you can save more, travel more, build credit, protect your purchases, and even earn money while you spend, but misuse it, and you'll end up with fees, debt, and a credit mess. Like this video if you want more content on credit scores, and financial freedom. Subscribe to Big Money Booster for smart, simple money tips every week. Share this with someone who's ready to upgrade their credit game. Drop a comment. What credit card has helped you the most, and what's one you regret getting? Let's talk. Thanks for watching Big Money Booster, where we help you master money with confidence.